cancel Christmas. Although there's been no curtains up this year, the love for theatre and performing still remains strong.
Lots of plans have been made in the spring, but then unfortunately the cough came along.
Our shows for the year had to be put on hold. Curtains, props, and scripts were all packed away.
This was to make sure that everyone would be safe, waiting and hoping for a brighter, better day.
As time went on, so many things changed, but not our love for the stage or our audience.
Once we realized that our calendar had to wait, we continue to plan ahead for our next performance.
As 2021 approaches in this new normal way, we are sad that our beloved Panto extravaganza just could not stay.
We've come up with some plans for 2021 to make up for lost time. But first, let's hear the bells of Christmas cheer chime.
From the KADS committee, we wish you happy, blessed holidays and look forward to seeing you all again next year.
Season's greetings from us all! Woo!